This is definitely an odd pair of dining friends. I cannot believe Chippy is just chilling out next to this giant woodpecker. Like, he climbed the pole the woodpecker is on while the woodpecker was on it and jumped to the flat feeder. He is a brave, brave chipmunk. Chippy, you are the man, or girl, or woman. You're the chip. You are the chip. I just thought I would share this video of this beautiful woodpecker. I love these pileated woodpeckers. They are gorgeous and they are so beautiful to watch. So everyone just enjoy.